Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can block a website on Google Chrome in 2020. Alright, so to do this we're gonna go up to the top right corner, click on these three dots, go down and click on this one, more tools, and choose extensions. Alright, go up to the top left corner, click on these three lines, go all the way down to this one, open Chrome Web Store. Okay, so now we're gonna search for block site, like so. And we're gonna choose this one, block site, website blocker for Chrome. Click on this button, add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Okay, so thank you for installing block site. So read this, and after that click on I accept or maybe later. In my case I'm gonna click on I accept. After that I'm gonna click on skip. Alright, so now we're gonna add a website that we want to block. So let's say we want to block facebook.com, like so. After that just go to the right and click on this plus sign. Okay, so now we see that we have blocked sites. We have facebook.com. Let's go and open up a new window. And we're gonna go to facebook.com. Hit enter. And as you can see, we cannot access facebook.com. This site is blocked. So we got this message. Forget about it. You put facebook.com in your block sites list. It's probably there for a reason. Okay. So if we go back to block site, we can at any time just delete it by clicking on this red delete button. Or if you have multiple websites, you can just go and turn it off right here, like so. If you want to access block site one more time, you just go to the three dots right here, go down to more tools and extension. Now we can find block site extension right here. We can click on remove, we can turn it off right here, or we can click on details and click on extension options to get you back to this page where you can add more websites or remove websites. Okay everyone, so this is how you can block a website on Google Chrome in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And don't forget to check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day, take care and bye.